Hi guys, welcome to Digital channel guys. So I'm a beginner in YouTube. So in the beginner, so how will be starting my views and subscriber? So first of all, how to reach audience? The major important. The reaching audience purpose, we have to use option name is called Google AdWords. In this AdWords, I'll show the steps. First click for sign in. In the sign in option, we have to follow your particular account. In this account, we have option name is called video marketing. In a video marketing, certain goals are there. First, we can go to brand consideration, awareness, sale, website traffic. Lot of options are there. Which option you have to follow this option in this campaign? So, so this will be my amount will be done. So there is a campaign will be not run. So now selecting for new campaign. In this new campaign option, we have certain goals are there. In these goals, we have to select option name is called brand awareness. The goal is called brand awareness. In this brand awareness, this is my particular goal. That is a goal will be display and video. Select the video option. In this, skippable in stream, bumper ad, non-skippable in stream, outstream, ad sequence. These are the options are there. If you are non-skippable, up to 15 seconds, bumper ad, less than 5 seconds, skippable, it will be more than 5 and 15 seconds. So this mostly will be selected by the more than 6-second video. The special option will be there. Up to 15-second video will be give the non-skippable in stream. This is the option. Reach people there are phones or tablet. This is the outstream. This will be ad sequence. Now I'm select the one video here. So this video exactly will be 15 seconds. So now I'm start non-skippable. Why? Because up to 15 seconds. Continue. Will be check the supporting skip and non-skippable. First, we can based on the video. They will be give the option will be skip and non-skippable. My goal will be awareness and reach, and the option will be non-skippable. After that is a target CPM. There will be charge CPM nothing but cost per mile. Mile nothing but 1,000 impression. Will be reach 1,000 impression. They will show your option. Here, the budget selection will be two types, daily and campaign total. The campaign total will be selecting for 2,000. It will be. Suppose I'm selecting for 500 here, but the best budget is called more than here. So I'm go to will be, daily budget will be 500. So when selecting time, what are the parameters are most important? Budget, bid, your video and video ad format. So when you're selecting for campaign total, compulsory should maintain the end date. This is a mandatory field when you go to the campaign total. But I go to where daily budget. The impression will be 1.9 billion impressions. Next target location, language. Location your wish. So now I'm selecting for total India. Language, only English or all languages. As you wish, you can select. This is a common option. No need to touch this one. Next one, add group. Here, what are the age group you target? So everything will be selected by in this option. So here, I have to use this option. Next, audience selection. Any specific audience you will be select. But I'm targeted for each and every audience, not for the specific. Suppose you select the specific audience, go for education. So my target will be education. In this major key point is called your topic, your keyword, everything will be help. But your target for everyone, not for the particular keyword and topic. So topic will be also will be selected here. But I am always selected for the education. Here also will be selected for job and education. So most of the my education video. Next, in the YouTube format, the major important one is called placements. So where you can target your video, particular channels, particular video and video lineup or website, apps and app categories. If you go to the channel, any channel will be here. So suppose will be select here option virally. Any channel will be there in YouTube. They find out the virally and promote your videos. In the particular all channel, your video will be displayed and particular videos. So anything will be here. Will be check here in this all options. These are nothing but here. So one more option is that Sir, in my channel, in your same channel, I can promote your video also. As usual, they show your particular options. Here is the my videos. Your channel also your video will be promote. But we can promote for other channel, we'll get for more views and every option will be suitable. That is mean by placement. The placement is very important in your YouTube market. So I'm not targeting any specific channel, any specific video, any video lineup, or any specific website. Or apps or app categories. I'll only will focus by the all option. App category nothing but Windows phones or Google Play Store and App Play Store. Certain which category will be show your lineup. Next will be your particular apps. What are the apps you will be promote? Select your app and target your particular YouTube channel and the particular video. Here two things. You can target channel, the particular channel video and video lineup categories, your particular website, app and app categories. So here you can select your budget, the CPM bit. Every 1,000 impression, I'll give the 100 rupees, it will be charged. So people will watching for 1,000 time my video, you detected by the 100 rupees. Next, finally, we can add the video option. So only one option will be pending, add the video. It will show the skip and non-skippable. So this will be non-skippable. Why? The video will be only for 15 seconds. The video display on YouTube and a video partner site. Any video playing for particular website, they are also showing for skip and the particular video. It will be here. So what it is showing for is a 15-second video, non-skippable. How many impression, what is the cost, budget, unique reach, everything is shown on your particular option. So what a budget I'm selecting? Daily 500, every 1,000 impression I'll put the budget will be 100 rupees. So this is the final URL. What is the URL will be given? Copy this option and update it. Display URL. If you want add the call to action, add your call to action like contact us, anything will be add your option. But I'm not interested to add this call to action like simple. Get more, learn more. Here will be learn more. Any option will show to the customers. Video partner site. Learn more. Is it clear? Here will be add name. Click for create the campaign. So the structure campaign will be here in the final option. Only two things, create a campaign and confirmation. Here I have not mentioned date. That means by any time I can change the video ad and run the campaign. So start date, I not mentioned date. My goal will be awareness and reach, target CPM, every 1,000 impression, you will be charge amount and target India overall. Language will be all languages. Inventory type will be standard inventory. I create one group and one ad. Finally, continue to campaign. Each ad group you can create only for one ad. You can create n number of ad groups, n number of ads also. So in this, if you want to create one more ad, click for one more ad also will be there. For each group, you can add the one ad will be enough to understanding the option. So finally, you go to the all campaign. Your campaign will show to the customer. Click the campaign. Next will be ad group. After that will show your ad. The ad will be non-skippable in stream ad. The ad will be 15-second video. So this is method to increase the more reach and awareness to the public. The option name is goal is called brand awareness. The video campaign, the option name is called non-skippable 15-second video. Follow this option, increase the views and subscriber in your channel based on the placement, topic and keyword on your budget and your particular language. So this is a method you can follow any beginners to start the YouTube channel by promoting Google AdWords. Any further information, you can contact me, this like a channel. I definitely will be support. How will be happening your channel in your particular videos to increase views and subscribers. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.